Hi, this is Erika. I just want to give you a quick invitation to my mentor Stuart Ross' latest webinar. It's called the 10K, and it's about how it's possible for you to start an online business and make your very first $10,000 online. And to be honest, you can do this in different platforms and with different methods. But the thing that Stuart is about to show you in this webinar is the way I used. And I didn't only make $10,000. I made much more. So far this year I have, almost $40,000 this year. And I'm just in the beginning of my journey. My next goal is to have $10,000 a month, and to be honest, I think I'm able to do this very soon. So this is exciting news for you who didn't watch this webinar already. So what will you need to do? You will need to go and click the link under this video and just sign up to this webinar. It's absolutely free. And then you need to make sure that you are able to listen carefully, because he is about to teach you some really high skilled knowledge, and he's one of the industry's leaders in high ticket affiliate selling. So I think you should really take good care of what you say and listen carefully. If I were you, I should also have a paper and pen ready to write down some things that he's about to reveal for you. As you can see, I'm shooting from home. I didn't even clean up the room behind me before I shoot this video. My youngest son has school leave. I'm able to be home for him this week, and yeah, I'm just walking around. I didn't even do my hair today or my makeup, so this is possible because I have my online business. And I was thinking today about how my life was before. I have 3 children. The oldest one are adults now, or almost adults. And when my oldest children were small, I worked full days, more than full days. I worked weekends as well, evenings. I never had time to be home with them when they were on school leaves. And also the few hours I had with them on the evenings, I was exhausted, to be honest. I was there, but I wasn't mentally there. I wasn't present in their life as I'm able to be now. So for me to finally give this kind of life to my youngest child, it feels like I'm blessed. And I know this is not a magical gift. I know I have created it myself, because I found out about this opportunity and I grabbed my chance, and that's the most important thing about the whole journey I did. I saw the opportunity, and I went through my fears because I was scared. I was scared I would lose some money. I was scared that I was not able to do it. I was scared that I was too old. I was scared I didn't have the technical skills. I was scared of a lot, but I decided to take this chance anyway. And I trusted this community. I trusted the people within SFM, and also a small voice in my head said, if others could do it, why shouldn't I be able to do it? People that were older than me has made it. People that were less technical than me was able to do it. People who was much younger than me and now with not my experience of life have done it. So is it really the truth that I would have a more difficult journey than others? So basically I just did what they said, what they told me to do. And the first step for me was to sign up and fill in my application to become a member. There is actually an application because SFM will only have members that are serious in what they do. They absolutely don't accept any kind of scams, and they want honest, ordinary people that wants to make a change of their life, but not with scam methods, if you know what I mean. So anyway, first step is to fill in the application, and I paid $29.95. That's an offer that I will also give to you. So if you click the link under the webinar, or I can also send a link to you here, you will be able to sign up. After that, you will have the first module and be able to try what this education is all about, because I'm telling you, this is so much more than just another video training course. Okay? I cannot explain how big this is because you have a whole package around this. It's live webinars, it's of course training videos, but it's you have your own business consultant, you have leaders, you have the community, you have secret Facebook groups where we help each other and not compete with each other, because we just want everyone to succeed, because every single one of us in this community are there because we want to change our lives. We want to live a better life, basically. Yeah, and this is not for everyone. Some people realize that this is not my cup of tea. That's okay. That's okay. You can find another path in your road. But if you do, you don't have to worry about it, because you have 30 days of access, and if you don't like it, just claim your money back. It's okay. We're not here to trick you or sell you something that you don't want or need. But to be honest, that's very rare that someone wants their money back, because we are here in this community of SFM because we want something to change in our life. We want more freedom, we want more money. That is freedom, basically. It's just a vehicle we need to create freedom in our life. We want to feel fulfilled. We want to do something that gives us a purpose. We want to spend our days with something that is meaningful to us, and also we want to work on flexible times. Yeah, I can talk and talk forever about this topic, but that was not the idea with this short video. My idea was you to grab your opportunity to listen to Stuart Ross on this webinar, how to make your very first $10,000, and the purpose of this webinar is for you to see what is possible, because one of the most common questions I get is, what are you exactly doing to make this kind of money on the internet? And this is where Stuart shows you what can be done, one of the methods. Okay everyone, I wish you a very wonderful day, and I see you on the inside, I hope. Bye bye.